Hi, this is Don Wiley once again with another look at the constructions going on here in the villages. Let's start out with the big news for the week. This bridge, the one south of 44 over by Brownwood. It was announced this weekend that it's going to be moved and put into place sometime during the week of August 18th. This should be an interesting move to watch. Next up is the other bridge going across 44. This one's over by the Rohan Rec Center. The pilings are in on the south side, and as you can see, they're going in on the north side also. It appears they're going to build the bridge on the north side next to the rec center. Please stay out of the construction areas. Don't go in these. They're dangerous. The next bridge under construction is the one going across the turnpike. All the structural members appear to be in place. There's no more large pieces of steel laying on the ground. So now it's a matter of building the rest of the structure, the deck, the lights, all the other pieces that go to it. According to the plans I've seen, this bridge is going to have a deck about 15 feet wide for traffic. It's going to be about 20 feet off of the turnpike, and it's going to be about 300 feet long, and there's no support in the middle. Next up is a look at the emergency department being built south of Brownwood. As you can see, the roof deck is in. They've put up the framing for the roof, and there's also the portico framing. Here's a quick peek of the work going on south of the emergency department. Four new commercial buildings are being built in Brownwood. This one's next to 2J's. You can see the walls are starting to go up in the second building. The walls on the third building here started going up about 2 weeks ago. This is the site next to Cody's. There's lots of progress going on at the lofts. I'm going to slow this video down for just a minute to talk about something that's very, very important to me. As some of you may know, a good friend of mine, Vern Edwards, and I went into business a little while ago in a company called Gold Wingnut Productions. I'm not going to go into the things we do. You can see that on our webpage, goldwingnut.com. What I do want to talk about is something else we offer. We are both animal lovers, and as you can see from this video, we get a pretty good view of what's going on at the ground. This video is taken at about 125 feet. What we're offering is we will come out and help anybody search for a lost pet here in the villages. We'll use our drones, we'll fly at about 75 to 100 feet over ground, and we'll help you try and find your lost pet. We're not going to charge for this. This is strictly voluntary. We just want to give back to the community. Now, I have to put some limits on it. I can't fly in the rain. I can't fly at night. We can't fly in heavy winds. And we got to limit it to the villages only, just because there's only 2 of us and it's already a huge area. If you need this help, please go to our webpage, goldwingnut.com. Our phone numbers are at the bottom. Call us and we'll help you find your pet. Thank you. This field has been cleared for several weeks. It looks like they're going to move forward with some new construction there. Let's take a quick fly around of the new hotel and health center that's being built. Apparently this low area here on the left is going to be some sort of commercial property also. Now at the new traffic circle being built on Warm Springs Avenue. This is traveling south. As you can see up ahead, just beyond the church, they're doing some clearing work. This is new activity I've not seen before. We'll take a look around to the area south of Warm Springs from about 400 feet. Lots of work going on here. Now for a new look at the ball fields, the Everglades Rec Center, and Magnolia Plaza, which is being built. You can see the infields are taking shape on the ball fields right now. Lots of landscaping work is going on. I think it's official now. We've got about 4 times as many trees in this area of the villages than there was before construction started. They're busy clearing the area here for Magnolia Plaza and putting in the utilities. Let's take a look now at Monarch Grove. We'll go south and then north again. But first, here was a group of people from Monarch Grove, new residents that were having a good time in a social gathering at the Swallowtail Pool. This is the western portion of Monarch Grove. I'm traveling south and turning southeast here. Lots of new homes being started. This is the eastern part of Monarch Grove. This is just south of the Swallowtail Recreation Center. I'm traveling from the south in a northeasterly direction. If you're building in this area and you'd like to get weekly updates of your home being built, please go to our website, goldwingnut.com, and see our services that we offer for you. This is the village of Linden. We're going to go up the east side of Linden, going north, and then we'll turn back around and we'll head south across Linden Isle and the southern part of the village of Linden. Work on the southern part of the village of Linden has finally kicked into high gear. These homes will be coming online probably in about 2 months. This is a very nice park-like area that they've situated between Linden and Monarch Grove. This is the community on the northern part of the village of Marsh Bend. I'm going to fly over Edna's and the Cattail Recreation Area to get to a new section that activity has kicked up on just this past couple of weeks. It won't be too much longer until this area starts to go up for sale, both lots and spec homes. It's hard to tell anymore if it's going to be verandas or courtyard villas that'll be up against this hole of the golf course. Next, I'll fly over the southern part of Marsh Bend, first over DeMarco and Seaball Street areas, followed by Boudreaux Circle, the street that's paved in bricks. This is the southernmost part of Marsh Bend, dominated by Samuel, Kate, and Ryan villas. And then just beyond that is Thornburg Trail. This last area we're coming up on is Dunham Drive. And that wraps it up for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll try this again next week. If you've enjoyed my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.